So now let's see how we can actually go ahead and attach out a PDF file by using a PDF block inside of Notion. So to go ahead and do that, you can go ahead and press / on your keyboard and you can go ahead and type in PDF. And here you can see that you can import out a PDF, or you can go ahead and bring PDF data into Notion right here as well. So there's two PDF block right here. So let's just go ahead onto embed right here and then choose a file to upload it. Once you go ahead and do that, you can see that I can go ahead and choose a PDF file right here. So now I'm just going to go ahead and let's say for example right here, let's just go ahead onto PDF folder that I have right here and then upload out this particular PDF file right here, just like this. So you can see that it is preparing, and now once I do that, the PDF is loaded out. You can go ahead and expand this right here, or like resize this, and then you got the PDF file right here. You can go ahead and press / and then you can go ahead and type in PDF. Then you can also go ahead and import out PDF data from over here as well. For example, you can go ahead and select out a particular data right here, and once you do that, it actually goes ahead and extracts out data from PDF, and then it is here, as you can see right here, just like this. So you can see that this did not actually import out the PDF directly, but just imported out the data from the PDF file. And that is how you can utilize the PDF blocks inside of Notion. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.